When we decided to change our lives and start traveling full-time, we thought the hardest part would be the decision itself. Well, it wasn't. Don't get me wrong, that was a years-in-the-making decision. But the hardest part was waking up the next day, realizing nothing felt familiar anymore, not even us. Everything was different and constantly changing. We didn't have all the answers, not even close. We were learning along the way. And the fear? Yeah, it came with us. Sat right next to the excitement in the front seat. Very loud, both of them. But somewhere on the road, the unknown stopped feeling like a threat. It started showing us what we were actually capable of. We let go of old versions of ourselves. Some gently, some not so gently, and found the new ones we didn't expect. We didn't change overnight. We barely noticed it happening, until one day we did. Life is constant change after all, isn't it? Starting over is scary, it's messy, but we feel alive again.